Malaga is one of the oldest and most beautiful cities in Spain. In this video, we will take a drone tour of the city and explore its rich history and landmarks. We start our journey from the Parque Público, a green oasis in the heart of the city. As we ascend, the city unfolds beneath us in a stunning panorama. We rotate slowly, taking in the full 360-degree view. To the north, the rugged beauty of the Andalusian mountains forms a dramatic backdrop. To the south, we see the shimmering coastline, where the city meets the Mediterranean Sea. We can see as far as the port of Malaga, one of the oldest and most important ports in the Mediterranean. You can see the Guadalmedina, a river that runs through the city. The name Guadalmedina comes from the Arabic word Wadi-il-Madina, which means river of the city. The river is now mostly dry except during heavy rains. The Estadio La Rosaleda, the home of Malaga FC, is also in view. Built in 1941, the stadium has a capacity of 30,000 spectators and has hosted many important matches, such as the 1982 FIFA World Cup and the 2022 UEFA Europa League. From the serenity of the Parque Público to the bustling Estadio La Rosaleda, this is a city that truly has something for everyone. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this succinct drone overview of Malaga. Please let me know what you think in the comment section and do subscribe to our channel for more drone videos. And if you don't, I will find you and I will ask you why.